Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I have got Delicate Dreams paper in front of me. It is gorgeous. It's got copper foiling in it. It's very, very lovely. So I'm going to make a tall, thin milk carton box for you. You need a piece of cardstock that is 8¼ by 11 inches, 21 by 28 centimetres. And on the long side, score it at 2 inches, 9 inches, and then turn it over and score it at 10½, which in metric is 22½, and you turn it over at the 26.5 centimetre mark. Then come round to the short side and score it at 2, 4, 6 and 8 inches, which is 5, 10, 15 and 20 centimetres. And then we're going to do little marks, score lines at the 1 inch and 5 inch mark, which is 2½ into 12½ centimetres. The finished size of the box is fabulous. It's tall, thin. Oh, I need to put score lines in. I'm looking at my battery on my camera and thinking, I need to get this video filmed. So we're doing diagonals from the bottom of those little score lines I did down to the corner. I'll bring it up and show it to you in a second. Oopsie. There we go, so it's like that. So that was the short score line. Okay, yeah, it's a tall, thin box. It's 2 inches by 2 inches, and then it's actually 7 inches tall. So 5 by 5 by 17½ centimetres. Really nice size. And the Delicate Dreams paper, I waited ages for it to come into stock. Didn't get a chance to film with it. Went out of stock again, and I'm hoping that it's back in stock at the point in time you're watching this. So I'm filming this, oh my goodness, I'm filming this in May. You're watching it in June because incentive trip. Fold this one back on yourself, the one that we flipped over to score, and it was due back in stock on the 1st of June. Well, let's hope it was. Okay, right, I've got panels here. I've got 2 of them that measure 1¾ by 1¼ so 4½ by 3½. They're going to sit at the top, and then 4 of them that measure 1¾ inches wide, 6¾ long, which is 4½ by 17 centimetres. So I'm going to get all of those stuck down before I build the box up. So Delicate Dreams, there's also a copper foiled patterned paper where it's only the foiling, and I want to say that's called, this is Delicate Dreams, I think that is called Delicate Wishes. There's a full-blown suite. I actually just got the paper. At least I think I only got the paper. I don't remember now. But yes, so there's 2 paper packs in the whole suite. And it's just beautiful. And I'm putting it over grey granite. That's the cardstock I'm using, which is different for me. I don't think I've used grey granite as a base cardstock before. I might have done. The one I forget to remember is Basic Beige. I forget to remember we have that. So this goes on the flat panels, not the ones that I put the diagonal lines on. Ooh, I've still got 2 bars on my battery. The ultimate panic stations. Okay, there's all my panels on. So I'm going to cut off a little whisper there, and then take off the rectangle, and then just cut straight on these. Okay, and then because I've only got a tiny little bit, I'm just going to put Tombow on here. Normally I'd use tear and tape, but not today. So I'm just going to hold that down. This is, I'm now down to 1 bar on my battery. This is like, how fast can I get this project made? 5 minutes in. Right, folding 2 sides and the back. I'm going to use tear and tape this time. And then because we put those score lines in, oh look, that glue wants to pop apart. It's going to fold up perfectly, just like that. And I'm going to use, just for holding it in place purposes, a bind clip. And then I'm going to put some of, I love this grey granite ribbon. I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to make a flopsy bow. Ooh. 1 bar. Can I make it last? I can. There we go. And then my nice floppy tails, which are maybe a tiny bit too long, can trail all the way down the front. And that, in 6.5 minutes, is a gorgeous box. Now add a tag, add more decoration if you want to. You could fussy cut out some paper, some of that. You could do heat embossing. I'm going to leave it as it is because I don't want the video to cut off, but I love it. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.